how to publish your own developed Roblox shirt to earn Robux. If you look, I have created a PNG image for the Roblox shirt using the Paint.net tools. How to use the Paint.net tools to create the Roblox shirts. There will be a separate tutorial on incoming videos. In this shirts, I have used the tiger images with the set of different colors to make the tiger fancy shirts. Make sure you are not using the copyright images, otherwise Roblox will send you a warning message and your content will be also not published. In this shirt, there will be a tiger face on the both and back side on the shirts. And the shirt sleeves on the both and right hand side will be full of tiger skin. To create the shirts, I have used the Roblox recommended colorful shirts templates. Now, I am trying to upload my PNG content to publish the Roblox shirts. Please follow the same process showed in the screen to reach at this point. Let me assign some good name to my Roblox shirts, and then after that I will configure it for sale purpose. One important thing to sell the items, you must have Roblox premium accounts. Let's assign your sale value for published items and save it. You can add the more description about the shirts or catalog items. I am adding here some info at least so buyers can get some info about the shirts. Save it. Now give at least 10 minutes to the Roblox to validate and authenticate your contents to make sure you are not using the illegal, malicious and copyrighted contents in your Roblox shirts. In my avatar, at present, I am wearing the old one shirts which I have created it on long time ago. I will check it first in the Bloxburg Roblox game, how it looks like before applying the new published shirts. Now, going to apply my new tiger fancy shirts in my avatar. Now again, I will check in the Bloxburg Roblox game, how it looks like after applying the new published shirts. It's look like good to me, a tiger fancy shirts. Not a bad shirts after putting the 2 days of efforts on learning how to make a Roblox shirts. Hurry, great shirts. Let's play in the game and move here and there to look what you can do more with the shirts. In my Panda Tech Tips channel, I have created some shirts just for the tutorial purpose. If you guys want to try it to use it and purchase through Robux. Meanwhile, I am going to reduce the cost to promote my YouTube channel. Now tutorial is end. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting on videos. Oh, one player has purchased my other butterflies theme-based Roblox shirt. I would say thank you all for watching.